Hello guys, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In today's video, we are going to see what's new in Tech Freedom 4.1.5. Yes friends, Tech Freedom has released their next update, which is 4.1.5. If you have not downloaded yet the updated version, just go to Play Store and update now. And before update, just keep watching this video till the end, because in this video we are going to discuss what's new in Tech Freedom 4.1.5, and as well as I will also tell you what is the Tech Freedom for those who are new and who are first time watching this video. So everything will be very useful, and this Tech Freedom application is especially for blind, so especially for visual impaired, especially for us. So we have to watch this video till the end. So without skipping, please watch this video till the end to get the information about Tech Freedom application. If you want to support us, you can join our channel. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. Click on the join button to learn more. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tech tutorials. We have already many videos and playlists. Just visit our channel, click on the playlist section and enjoy as per your choice. Also, you can click on our video section and watch our previous videos also. After subscribing, press the bell icon and choose all notifications so you will never miss any upload. If you have any questions or doubts in your mind, feel free to ask into the comment section. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, first I want to tell you what is Tech Freedom for new users. So Tech Freedom is a multi-featured application designed by V.I developers, which is a non-profit company in India, non-profit organization in India. Yes, this application has been developed by the Indian developers. So those who are my Indian friends, they should like the video and like the application also. You can download this application from Play Store. This application is only available for Android versions right now, and the link is given in the video description below. Now, what is the use of this application? Guys, in our daily life, we require to use many things like media players, we need notepad, we need image reader, there will be document reader, there will be text to speech, there are many things we need. So this application has 15 features. Yes, you'll get 15 features in just one application, and as well as you can get daily technology content as a blogs. Not only this, additionally you can also get you can also enjoy the podcast, which is very informative and engaging. So this is the brief overview of Tech Freedom application. So within this application you can use some AI tools also, such as AI image generator, AI writing assistant, chatbot. Those who know about the ChatGPT, they can understand. Okay, then you can use image recognition. Okay, you can recognize any image. So then you can have the media player where you can play the audio, video. So all these features you can get in just one application. Yes, so it is very useful. You understood? It is very useful. So just go and download. If you have not downloaded yet, just go and download. Yes, I'm saying, and you can just trust me 100%, you will really love this application. The best part is, in this application, if you scan an image, if you read an image or document, you can get high quality MP3 voices from 11 Labs, and there you can enjoy high quality text to speech voices. Also, those who are having problem in Auto TTS, they can use a feature of this application, which I'm going to tell you today, and there's a major update also. This is the use of this Tech Freedom application. So those who are student, those who are working, everyone can install the application. Now we have already talked enough. Let's talk about the update. So first update is regarding the backend. Yes, now you know already what is OCR, because OCR is optical character recognition, and this helps us to recognize any images. So first of all, Tech Freedom has updated their core OCR engine to give you the fast response as well as support many languages. Yes, so this is a backend update. Like, you cannot directly see the update on the front end part or the user end, but this is a backend update. Let's talk about 3 major updates which you can see directly. So for that, let me open the Tech Freedom first. After opening the application, you need to create your own account. I have already created the account. Now see,
Voicify TTS. Home.
There are some features available.
Voicify TTS button in list.
Voicify TTS is available. So what is this Voicify TTS? We'll discuss later. And this Voicify TTS is not available at the top. I'm just using this application for a while, so I make it top. So if you want to use more, you can customize according to you. Okay, so this feature is available. Just download and explore. Okay, so first update is the support system. Yes, first major update, like major update means which you can see directly, which is support system. So to see the update, click on more options.
More support 1 of 7.
So click on support.
Getting on top. Screen recorder on bottom. Ticket. New request button.
Now here, before you can see multiple options like chat, email, phone, etc, etc, but there are several problems. Sometimes you might not get the answers properly. So to manage this and to centralize this, now you can get a
new request button.
New request button. So here you can
view closed requests button.
You can get view closed requests. So here you can just create a new ticket or new request, like support ticket. Okay.
New request button.
So click on new request.
New request.
Then see
new request. Subject. Edit box.
First you need to type the subject. So your subject should be clear.
Body. Edit box.
So in body you should mention your detailed problem or whatever you want to. Okay, then
drop down menu. Request category.
Request category. So here are some categories available. Let's see.
General 2 of 4.
General. So where you can ask the general queries. Next.
Bug report 3 of 4.
Bug report. If you are facing any bug, you can report here.
Feature request 4
and then feature request. So feature request means if you want to request a feature, you can
stop
do
recording.
it. Okay.
General request category disabled 1 of 4.
Okay, so these are the options available. Then click on
button out of new sub body request drop down menu add request button.
Click on add request. So once you click on add request, VR developers support team will be alerted with your request and they will respond your request, and here you can directly chat with the support team. So the chat system, the support system is now inbuilt within the application. This is the first update. Next update is in Voicify TTS. Now for those who are new, I'm just saying Voicify TTS is the free auto TTS. You can say it's a free auto TTS and it is inbuilt feature of Tech Freedom. So if you install Tech Freedom, you can get all of these features. And those who are having problem with auto TTS, they can definitely use Voicify TTS. So in Voicify TTS now, what's the update? Let's see. So for that, I'm just going to Voicify TTS.
Voicify TTS. Voicify TTS.
Okay, now I'm just swiping from left to right.
Allowing deny button.
I'm just denying right now.
Voicify TT mode heading.
So mode.
Not ticked. Auto language.
Mode is there is no update.
Language. Drop down menu. Engine. Drop down menu. Select language.
So first, let me select the language. Let me select Hindi.
Select Afrikaans. Azerbaijani. Basque. EU. Danish. English. And Bosnian. Bengali. Basque. EU. Azerbaijani. Basque. Belarus. Bulgarian. Catalan. Corsican. Croatian. Dutch. NF. Bengali. BN. 10 of 60. Corsican. Estonian. Et. French. Galician. German. D. Greek. Gujarat. Haitian. Hausa. Hebrew. Hindi.
So I'm choosing Hindi then.
Engine. Drop down menu.
I'm choosing
Select
engine. Let me choose some engine.
Select speech vocalizer. Stop recording. Speech recognition. Select back. Voicify TTS.
Then
drop down menu. Select voice.
Let me choose a voice.
Select high and X. High and language. High and X hit local. High. Select voice. High and language.
Okay, then next see.
Speed 20. Speed slider.
Speed is there.
Pitch 20.
Pitch is there. It is already there. Okay.
Test button.
Yes, this test button is now incremented, which means now you can test before saving your changes. Okay, so let's play. Let's test.
ये हिंदी में वाक्य संश्लेषण का एक उदाहरण है.
So this is the way you can easily check. Okay, you can easily, what do you check? You can easily check whether your settings, it's perfect or not. Then you can just click on save and the settings will be saved. So this test button is new. Okay, now let's come to the third and the last updates, which is under the podcast tab. So let me go to the podcast tab.
Podcast.
So within podcast, now let me play something.
TFcast episode 1, Empower TFcast episode 3, Advocating for Accessibility.
So now just
Podcast.
I'm just
Episode
opening
is loaded.
this podcast. Okay, so after loading the podcast, now I'm just swiping from left to right and see.
Podcast. Rewind. Pause. But
I'm just pausing it.
fast. 0 minutes. 0. TFcast episode 3. Like this episode along with 26
So
other
like
people.
button is there. Before that there was no like button.
Dislike.
Like dislike button is there.
Playback speed. Button.
Now playback speed. So here you can change the playback
Playback speed.
So let me double tap here.
0.5x.
0.5x.
0.75x.
0.75. Normal.
1.25x. Button.
1.25.
1.5x. Button.
1.5x.
1.75x.
1.75x.
2x. Button.
2x.
2.25. 2.5x.
2.5x.
2.7. 3x. Button. Stop recording.
Okay, so
3x.
till 3x you
Index.
can
Window play.
expand.
Podcast.
You can
Copy link.
see copy link is there.
Share.
Is
Comments.
there.
8. Button.
Comments is there. Before there is no comment
Add comment.
and
Button.
add comment. So if you want, you can also comment here. Okay, so this is a similar interface of YouTube, but here you can get only, you can listen only the podcast uploaded by Tech Freedom. And the update is like what is the like button, dislike button, this comment button, and this change speed. Okay, playback speed. So these are few updates of Tech Freedom. So that's it guys for Tech Freedom 4.1.5. Now it's your task to explore and let me know which update do you like into the comment section. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.